The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, west central West Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 11:45 a.m. At 8:51 a.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding of streams, creeks, and roads can be expected. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1.5 inches. Additional rainfall up to 1/2 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include McKeesport, West Mifflin, North Versailles, White Oak, Clarendon, Duquesne, Glassport, Irwin, Manor, Liberty, Portview, Versailles. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 63 and 69. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
So 会挨了就说。